the King of entire universe, Rahman Rahim. Respected Principal, Chief Guest, and my lovely teachers, I welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day to all participants. As you know, we gathered here to celebrate of 75 independence of our holy land Pakistan. We have got Pakistan as a gift and as a reward of decade, struggle and misery suffered by our forefathers here. Dear sir, before we move, I discussed too what to be done for tomorrow. It's mandatory to shed some light over the word hard, dedication, struggle and endeavor of our forefathers in the great cause of independence. The efforts of Qaid, the struggle of Iqbal and the preaching of Allama Shabir Ahmad Usmani, the efforts of thousands Muslims were fought from all ranks of